friends, in this change, I will try to explain to you how to make crosswise needlework. First, we must know what we need to make crosswise needlework. So, check this material and tools to make it.
Yarn and sewing needle, serge, streaming cloth, and ram.
Okay, we will start to make crosswise needlework. First, we must to cut yarn as we want. Okay, I will cut about this. After that, we enter the yarn into sewing needle. Like this. After that, we will start to sew. Okay, before we start to sew, we must choose one point to be directive. For make easy, we call first point. I will choose this first point. After that, from first point count to point to form, we call second point. From this 1, 2, we call 2 point. Then to point to left, we call third point. From second point to point to left, 1, 2, third point. After that, to point to back, we call fourth point. From third point to point to back, we call fourth. 1, 2, this fourth point. We start sew from second point. In this second point, after that, cross to fourth point. Fourth point. Then to third point. Third point. And then finish at first point. That's how to make crosswise needlework. So just that how to make crosswise needlework. Just it for now. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will as you wish. So it is